Hello and welcome to Tutorials Point. Today in Google Plus for Business, we'll discuss a very important topic called the content management. The content is the heart of your business account on Google Plus, not just on Google Plus account but on any other social media platform. How good is your content, how effective is your content, and whether the content is engaging with the potential leads and customers is what actually is important on social media. So in Google Plus, what is that we can do in managing is our content is what we'll look at today. Basically, Google Plus Content Management refers to the post, text, images, infographics and videos. This consists of the overall content of your business account that you will be posting. It could be text, it could be images, it could be infographics and it could be videos. This comprises of the entire content on your business account in Google Plus. Edit, delete, report, post. You can actually go about editing, deleting and reposting the content. All these features are available in Google Plus. Foster user engagement. Basically the content is designed, formulated, curated and posted on Google Places because you want to disseminate quality information about your business. You want the users to engage with your content. You want the users to relate with the content, the personalized content, the customized content that could be of some benefit to the followers who are following you, so that they can actually understand you, your company, the services, solutions and products that you are selling, and they can actually, if they like it, if they think because of the kind of content that you have posted, they'll click on the links, they'll come to your websites and landing pages. And this is precisely what the content management on Google Plus is all about. What we'll do right now is we'll take a live walkthrough, a live demo, how you can go about managing your content on Google Plus, a step-by-step process, what you need to do, how you need to do, how you can optimize your account, how you can post personalized content on Google Plus business account. Right now what we are going to do is we'll do the content management in Google Plus. How you can manage your content, how you can add, delete posts and repost, edit content and everything. Now here we are right now into Google Plus. This is Google Plus and this is the account that we have got. Now here are a lot of posts available for us. What we are going to do is, let us say for example, how you can actually post content here. Now when you click here, what's new with you, if you click here, what it will show is it will pop up a window here, and here you can type what is the post that you are going to post. Here you need to type over here, and the most important thing is you are making this public, and because you want to post something and you want people to see this information that you are going to post right now on your Google Plus account, and this is public here. And in the bottom you will see here you have an image that you can add. If you click here, it will ask you for an image to be uploaded. You can upload that particular image here. Here you will any upload image that you want to upload, you can click here and upload from here and select what is the image that you want to select over here. And once you are done with it, you can actually go out posting it. Then you have here add a link. This basically gives you the option to add a link to the post that you are posting. It means you can give a link to your website, to your landing page, to your blog, any link that you want to give for the users to actually click on the link and go to that particular post. Then you have got here other information related with creating a poll. You can create a poll by giving an option here. If you click here, it will ask you what is the image that you want to upload related to that particular poll, and here you have to give your choice. What is the choice that you are giving in terms of what is the poll that you are going to create? These are basically, and here you can give your location. This is related with the location that you're talking about. You can actually select your location. Sharing is turned on and off. You can share your location. Here let us say for example I type hello. I'm going to type how are you today. This is, for example, a sample post that I have posted now here. Once the post is done, you click here on post. That post will be appearing on your page here. This is the post that I have posted here. Now if you see here on the right side, you will see these dots here. If you click on these dots, you will get a series of options here. Delete a post, edit a post, disable comments, meaning you can actually, if there are any comments that will be coming up for this particular post, you can disable those comments. Disable reshares. If somebody wants to share this, they can share this, but if you disable the shares, nobody can actually share this. Move post to collection. If you have created a collection wherever you have created the collection, this post will go and store in that particular collection. And if you want to mute that particular, if anything related with the audio video, you can mute that. Now these are the series or options that are available for you. If you click on edit post here, hello, how are you today? Hope you are doing well. Let us say I am editing the post. Now save this. You have added here, meaning you have actually edited this post that you posted. Now if you go back here and if you click on delete, this particular post will be deleted and it will ask you an option, are you sure you want to delete the post? If you say delete, this particular post will be deleted here. And this is how you can actually go about doing your content management on your Google Plus account. Anything that you have posted that can be edited, that can be deleted, that can be shared, that can be disabled, all these options are available for you in Google Plus. Hello and welcome back. What we have just seen is we have logged into a business account on Google Plus and we have walked through the various aspects that are associated by posting of content, the kind of content that you need to post, and what you can do about editing, deleting or reposting the content that you have on Google Plus. Some of the best practices you can think of implementing on your content management in Google Plus business account are optimize content with the keywords. Keywords, whether it is on social media, whether it is on search engine optimization, whether you are doing search engine marketing or PPC campaigns, it is all about how you manage your keywords and what kind of keywords that you use related to the kind of businesses that you are into. So the keywords play a very, very important role, the kind of content that you post on Google Plus. It is the keywords that actually helps users to identify what kind of business that you are into. So optimize the content with the keywords, extremely important. Personalized content works very well. You have a content strategy, you have a content calendar and you are posting content accordingly. But when the users come and engage with you, the followers who come and engage with your business page, each user, each follower, they have got their own set of requirements. And when you are engaging with those users, you need to actually identify the each and every requirement, a customized requirement of your users, and customize and personalize those content, that content to suit the requirements of a particular user or a group of users. So personalization creates a very good impact. It makes the content that much more interactive and show that users or the followers, they reflect and they actually connect with the content. And that is the reason why you need to personalize your content. Do not make generic content, the content you think one type of content will suit all. It will not suit. Each and every user, follower, audience on Google Plus or any other social media, they have got their own set of requirements. Build a content strategy, extremely important. Before you go about posting content, do not go about posting content randomly. It is never going to work. You keep on posting, nothing will happen unless and until you create an effective content strategy. You should know exactly what you are posting, the kind of content that you are posting, keyword rich content, personalized content, customized content. And for that, you need to have a good content strategy in place. Track posts with the analytics. When you go about posting your personalized content, customized content, the content rich with the keywords, you need to track and analyze how the content is doing on your Google Plus account. Unless and until you track your performance on Google Plus, you will not be able to make any informed decisions. You will not be able to improve your campaign. So using analytics, leveraging analytics to track your post and improve on that post is extremely important to track and optimize and take informed decisions. Go about doing continuous improvement to generate the kind of leads that you want to generate and of course grow your business. In conclusion, what we have seen in this video is Google Plus content management, a live demo and some of the best practices that are associated with the content management on a Google Plus business account. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.